Hey y'all, it's just TK. Welcome back to TK Tuesday. Now, this is going to be in a little bit of a weird, I guess you can say, I think it's landscape. No, I think landscape is the right one. I don't know what this is called. Anyway, I was on my phone. I probably should have did it like on a bigger screen so that you guys can see it, but it is for my phone. So I decided just to go ahead and do everything on my iPhone. Now, I'm pretty sure you can do everything on Android, Samsungs, Galaxies, all that stuff like that. No reason to just get an iPhone for this. I'm pretty sure, like I said, these apps are everywhere. So I did try to go ahead and place the sites that I use, which was Canva. I don't have the premium package, and then also I just signed up for Pinterest on my phone, and I just started to look for what I was looking for. So this is where you're going to look for your aesthetic, what you love, what you like, what's actually speaking to you at that time. And basically what I'm doing is I am actually starting my new year now. It is May, January through April, baby, it tried me. However, I did make this, I guess you can call it a vision board or something like a motivational board for me. I did make this probably in March because it was supposed to start in March. Me like picking my words that I wanted to go by. A big word for me right now, probably like I said, from May until the remaining, hopefully, of my life, is consistency. I do really want to stay consistent with everything that I find enjoyable, or basically things that I'm doing. So I will quit a lot of things. Like I had a few businesses if it doesn't go my way or the way that I intend for it to go, because I do support a lot of things and a lot of people. And I feel like it's so easy just to support your friends. It just comes so natural to me to be everybody's cheerleader, be loyal, support, post people, post their items, buy stuff, never get the product. Don't bash or, talk about groups that I don't get stuff from, or, businesses that I don't get stuff from. I still support it. Like, it's a great business because it is. A lot of small businesses make a lot of mistakes. I was a small business. I made a lot of mistakes with shipping, getting too overwhelmed because you're doing a whole bunch of other things, and it's only you that's packaging, taking orders, printing receipts, trying to do the best you can do with packaging and everything like that. But I don't want that to stop me anymore. So as you can see, I have a theme going here. Like I said, it's very motivational for me. It has some of my greatest goals, and I really don't mind you guys seeing it. Sometimes people don't want you to see like the entire vision, which I did not put my entire vision out here. Is some things that I am going to write like in a journal. And like I said, this is May, so I'm going to go ahead and start writing that in the journal. Now I'm going to start doing some short-term goals, some mid-year goals. Well, maybe not mid-year, but like, so like maybe short, medium, and long, if that makes any sense at all. I really want to get to 10K on TikTok. I really want to get to 5K on Instagram. And I really want to get to 1K on YouTube. So I did just put some motivational numbers there. And like I said, some motivational words, some things that I just want to do for my future and just really see it before I see it. Basically, I really want to have the faith that I need to have. And then I really want to start eating healthier. I want to start working out, not to have a summer body, not for anybody else, not for the aesthetic, not for Instagram. I really want to do it for myself. I have just grown into this big human, and I need to go ahead and shrink down in size, all right? But yeah, I just want to travel more. Again, I want to be consistent with everything that I put my hands on. I really do want to start another business, but I am really trying to think about what that is. I was thinking about a podcast. I know everybody and their mom are doing a podcast, but I really was thinking about that. And little do a lot of people know, I bought microphones like in 2020. And then I just didn't do anything with it. Also, I was going to do like merch for what my guests would have. Reached out to content creators and everything like that, but I just stopped. And that is why my word really is consistency. And also, this is like what I really, really want. Like, I really want a good friend group that can support me through everything, just like I would support them through everything. Like I said, a cheerleader, somebody that's loyal, somebody that can take trips with, somebody that can make time for me no matter how busy they are. Yes, we're adults. Yes, we have busy lives. Yes, I have a full-time job. Yes, I'm married. Yes, I do have a lot of things going on too. And I feel like a lot of people just don't take that into consideration. They are just wrapped up in themselves and very selfish. So I'm really trying my best to just be better. I know I could be a better friend, even though I feel like 90% of the time I'm really a good friend in most of my relationships. Sometimes I don't communicate everything like I should. But for the most part, I am supporting you, going crazy behind your businesses and everything like that. And I just never get the same support. But if anybody else does something in the friend group, they get the support of everybody. It's just so crazy. Or like the people that I were looking for the support from, this just never happened. Or they'll show up like a little bit, but just never stay consistent. So again, that is another reason why consistency is a word for me for the remainder of this year. I want the people in my life to be consistent, as well as me being consistent and speaking up for myself and getting what I actually deserve and need and want in every relationship that I have. This is me just in Canva, I think that's how you say it. I was just playing around with the backgrounds and stuff like that. I end up not liking too many of the backgrounds. I think I just went really simple because, like I said, this is going to be for my wallpaper, for me to kind of look at every day and just say, hey girl, you got this. You're going to be a billionaire. You're going to be a millionaire. Like, I talk like crazy like that, and I don't really think it's crazy. I think it's really me having crazy faith. I do believe that I am going to get to 10K. I do believe that I'm going to get to 5K. On Instagram, I do believe I'm going to get to 1K and subscribers. I'm almost at 400 subscribers. It might not be a lot to y'all, but again, I'm looking at it as if 395 people were in the room for me. That is amazing that they come to see me. They came to show up, and a lot of them are strangers. It's so crazy, but again, I just have to realize how blessed I really am, and just keep at it. So at first, I was going to go ahead and go with this, but I was like, I didn't really like it. So I changed it, and this is where I was in, I think it's something. I think I put it on the end of the screen, so you'll see exactly what it is. Basically, it's where you make collages, and yeah, you can kind of figure out. Also, judge a man, not me. I do need to go ahead and get a passport so I can travel more and go other places. I also do need to work on that self-love because, like I said, I'm always pouring into somebody and I never pour back into myself. So yeah, it's just a lot of things, like I said, that's just motivational to me. I can and I will get it done. I will be consistent. I will be amazing, and I will do great things, and I will be a millionaire. So here's just a few things. I think I changed it from this as well. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this. Bye, y'all.